When we started Ledn 5 years ago, we knew that if we wanted to create a company that helped people build wealth in digital assets, we had to do one thing right. If you're going to offer a yield or a return of capital on their digital assets, you better make sure that you can return exactly those digital assets. So after the last 5 years, we've been laser focused on making sure we have prudent risk management that allowed us to make it through what we're calling the carnage of 2022. Ledn was founded on the basis of myself, a Canadian, having conversations with one of my best friends and co-founders, a Venezuelan, about how money was so different for each of us. But for Mauricio, it was quite different. In Venezuela, the rules were changing all the time, and you had to jump through hoops to operate and jump into the same financial services that I was experiencing in Canada. The interesting thing about Bitcoin is it's the exact same to everybody, and so are other digital assets that we're building on. So when you take that core asset class, you can do amazing things in financial services, and lending is one key piece of that. Finally, we're doing all this because we know we have a lot of work to do to rebuild the crypto lending space. This means, again, to summarize, better risk management, better communication with our clients, and better products that allow them to have different ways to generate yield and returns on their assets.